Start with weekly chart. After retest of 1862 horizontal support, weekly candle breakout 1932 horizontal resistance and candle closed outside this level. Closing of weekly candle not just change technical but the psychological too. If someone buy right at the low of these two candle, then their stop loss will be at the low of this level, and their entry and stop loss both are the same, and this low did not break their SL, and last week candle made the high at here. The seller who sold right at this level, their position are in negative or their SL has closed their position, because this bearish trend was triggered by GDP data. We have three lower low, and these three buyer position psychologically are one candle. Technically all the share between these two candle are out of the market. The buyer next target is 1976 before this higher high. On weekly time frame, 1976 horizontal resistance has been proven many times. On first time, price got rejection at this level and candle closed below it. After that, it's tested many times, and every time price goes above it, but candle closed below 1976. Similar can happen here. It can get strong rejection here and market could bend down. If market goes there, then weekly candle again have to be closed over 1976 to cover this market noise, because this week candle was successfully closed outside this horizontal level, and next week candle again closing above 1976 will confirm bulls FOMO, and they will immediately target for this all-time high. Buyer of this low got second chance here, and they will not buy again at 1976. They will wait for clear breakout. Only seller will enter the market at this level. On daily time frame, after the reversal at 1862, daily candle break and closed above 1900, and this red candle give another chance because it closed above 1900, and next day market turn right from there. It did not make new lower low, and candle closed above 1932, breaking this horizontal resistance in just one day. If you consider all these daily candle with wicks, these show strong rejection, and this rejection has been closed with the second last daily candle. Last candle of the week made a doji, which is not a clear reversal sign but exhaustion in the market. Market has been consolidated between 1976 and 1932 many times. It can make consolidation again before breakout. Again daily candle break and closing above 1976 will close this rejection level. If you got miss that chance, then market always gives second chance, like this daily candle, because buyer are already here at this level. They will not buy here, only seller will enter here. On 4-hour time frame, 1932 was tested first time at this level. Market got rejection, and next time candle break and close below this level, and market turned down. It retested again and went down, and it retested again, market went down. On last week, candle break and closed outside this level. More correction on Monday. This horizontal resistance 9076 and this horizontal support 9032 are key level to be watched on the Monday, because this resistance has now become support. If you draw Fibonacci extension from here to here, then 382 projection is right at 1976, and 618 golden projection is 1996. Market has been consolidated many times between these two levels. If market is coming here, then it has to consolidate again. After breakout on 1976, the immediate target will be 1996. Let's come to weekly chart again. Market has been trading between 1976 and 1932 for many weeks, not just week, months, and is trading inside this range. A market cannot trade always inside a range. It has to break out this range in any direction. When this breakout will happen, some will make money and some will lose, and some people will blow up their account. So these two levels are extremely important for the next week, because this range was the part of pre-election, and after the election market will readjust their entire investment for the new president, because under the Trump tenure gold has given extremely good result. It was in bear market for almost 10 years. Let's say market got rejection at 1976, and any fundamental strong news come and market take U-turn from here. Then lots of advanced buy are here at 1818. Subscribe this channel for more videos. Till then, you can join our Telegram channel and follow us on TradingView. All the necessary links are in the description box. The same screenshot will be published on TradingView. If you have any question, you can ask there.